turning into the property here. Oh, it looks like we're about to get rain. Got Orland following behind me. I'm gonna take him down to where I want to put the cabin. See what his thoughts are about this road. I'm hoping the camera catches just how angled the road is by seeing him behind us. Haven't got to the angle yet. So we're on the main road that goes from east to west. Okay, so I'm on the angle now. Whoa, coffee almost spilled. Can you see how angled it is when he's driving on it? All right, so pulling up now to the cabin spot. I can see where I've got everything all staked out. So excited. The next step in the process. It's exciting. All right.